In this video, I'll show you how to set up Fiverr account. So what you need to do now, make sure you have created a Fiverr account. So log it in on your mobile. So this is a Fiverr account now, but for you to be able to get the full settings, you need to log it in on your browser, on your Chrome browser, on your Safari browser, on your PC or on your MacBook. For you to be able to get the full settings optimization, you can be able to get few here from this option. So if I type on my profile picture now, I can be able to change my profile picture. I can be able to take a photo as well. I can be able to on my online status. I can be able to off it as well. So you can be able to see your briefs. So you can see your own brief. You get? So this is just the short customization if you are using your mobile. So you can see your saved list as well. You can also see your interests. So you can also invite friends. If you tap on your preference, you can see everything: the currency, the appearance, the language, the security, the notifications. That is for the full setup. If you tap on my account, you can be able to see your full name, your email, your personal balance, and all of it. Remember, if you love to get the full customization, you need to use your browser for this. So I'm currently on my mobile, but I will encourage and advise you to use your browser to get the full settings. You can be able to add your preference, your bio, and all of it. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.